Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knowledge Gainer. In this video, I am going to explain vitamin A with its whole content. This video will be helpful for BSc students and any competitive exam. So let's start it. First, definition of vitamin. Vitamin is the organic compounds required in the diet in the small amounts to perform specific biological functions for growth and health of the organism. Generally, plants and microorganisms synthesize vitamins. The bacterium E. coli synthesize all the vitamins. Higher organisms like guinea pig, man, and primates cannot synthesize vitamins, for example, vitamin C. Rat can synthesize vitamin C, so vitamin C is not required in rat's diet. History. It was Funk who for the first time isolated an active principal and amine from rice policing and later in yeast. This question may be asked who isolate vitamin for the first time, so the answer is Funk. Vitamin is the term coined by the Funk. The term vitamin E is later modified to vitamins by dropping E by Sir J.C. Drummond in 1920. So it is also important. Classification. Vitamins is classified into two types, fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K. We can remember this by calling ADIC. ADIC. Water-soluble vitamins are vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Source of vitamin A. All pigmented fruits and vegetables consist of vitamin A. Example, carrot, pumpkin, tomatoes and peaches, fish liver oils, butter, milk, egg yolk. Requirement for adult is 500 IU. IU means international unit. For infant, 1500 IU. During pregnancy, it is required more, which is 6000 to 8000 IU. Chemistry. Vitamin A consists of retinol. Actually, vitamin A is a complex primary alcohol. Retinol, which is vitamin A aldehyde, is a metabolic intermediate of retinol, important for vision. Beta carotene is the dietary precursor of vitamin A. The two rings of beta carotene at either end are beta anion ring and one scission at the middle. Scission means breakage. In the intestine, beta carotene is breaks to form two retinol compounds. This is the chemical structure of beta carotene molecule. Here is the breakage by which it breaks into two compounds, which is two molecules of retinol. This whole process occurs in liver. This is R chain group. This is R chain group having OH group at the end. Then we call it retinol. And if aldehyde CHO group is present, then we will call it retinol. And if carboxylic group is present, COS group is present here, then we call it retinoic acid. So this is the difference in structure. Next, biochemical function of vitamin A, which is vision, growth, also functions as hormone, differentiation and maintenance of epithelial tissue. Wald's visual cycle came under the requirement of vitamin A. Vitamin A is required for vision. Most important biochemical function of vitamin A in the process of vision was first given by George Wald. He got the Nobel Prize in 1968. The event occurs in cyclic process known as Wald's visual cycle or also called rhodopsin cycle. This is the structure of our eye. Here is our retina. The retina of most vertebrates consists of rods and cones. These green ones are rod and blue ones are cones. What is the function of rods? Rods are concerned with vision in dim light, night vision. Rods are present in the periphery of retina. Cones are involved for bright light vision, day vision. Rhodopsin is the photosynthetic pigment of rod. Iodopsin is a pigment present in cones. Wald's visual cycle. Rhodopsin is a conjugated protein with a molecular weight of 35,000. What is rhodopsin? Rhodopsin is a photosynthetic pigment of rod cell. Rhodopsin is made up of 11-cis retinal and protein opsin. When rhodopsin is exposed to photon, causes isomerization of 11-cis retinal to all transretinal. Actually, what happens under the effect of light energy, this rhodopsin gets converted into beta-rhodopsin and then into luminorhodopsin and then meta-rhodopsin 1, meta-rhodopsin 2, and then it breaks into two compounds. First opsin and all transretinal. All transretinal is converted into 11-cis retinal by the help of the enzyme isomerase. And opsin and 11-cis retinal again regenerates rhodopsin and completes visual cycles. All transretinal is converted into all transretinol. All transretinal and all transretinol are interconvertible. All transretinal is converted into all transretinol with the conversion of NADH into NAD. All transretinols get converted into 11-cis retinol by the help of the enzyme isomerase. 11-cis retinols get converted into 11-cis retinal with the conversion of the enzyme with the conversion of NAD into NADH. 11-cis retinol and 11-cis retinal is interconvertible. So how the process of nerve impulse generation is brought? The process of nerve impulse generation is brought when meta-rhodopsin causes activation of regulatory protein known as transducin. The phosphodiesterase is the enzyme. The transducin causes activation of phosphodiesterase enzyme. The phosphodiesterase enzyme causes conversion of cyclic GMP into GMP. So concentration of cyclic GMP decreases. Cyclic GMP is get converted into GMP. So cyclic GMP concentration decreases. Cyclic GMP is essential for opening of gated Na plus channel in the rod cell membrane. But due to the decrease in the cyclic GMP concentration, the Na plus channel closes. And also there is a constant flow of potassium ions from the leak channel of this membrane. This leads to hyperpolarization. Hyperpolarization means excess negative. This is the excitatory response transmitted through the neuron network to the visual cortex of the brain. The visual cortex of the brain is the area of the cerebral cortex that processes visual information. Visual cortex of the brain sends to the other region of the brain to analyze. Deficiency of vitamin A, night blindness or nyctalopia, is one of the earliest symptoms of vitamin A deficiency. Individuals are unable to see in the dark or dim light. Night blindness does not occur in the children. It only occurs in adults, while xerophthalmia occurs in children. Is a major health problem in Manila, Saigon, Hong Kong. Is a major cause of blindness in childhood. I will explain vitamin D in next video, so watch my next video. Like, share and subscribe if you liked my video, and thank you.